remind me of the perfect summer day, but only in picture frames. Cause I was picking up the pieces when the rain washed us away. You had me all alone, I was drowning in your awkward silence. I feel loosening the chains around my neck, but it makes no difference. Hey, I was looking at a photograph from before you left, reminding me of places we used to go, but it makes no difference.
Alright, we are back home. We stopped by Illegal Pete's on our way back, and we picked up these beautiful veggie bowls. I didn't really feel inspired to make lunch today. We wanted something quick, so that's basically what we ended up going with. So in here is rice, black beans, pinto beans, corn, cilantro, salsa, guacamole, lettuce, not really that much lettuce, but yeah, that's the bowl, and that is a lunch for today. Alright, so this is my bowl, and I'm pretty stoked about it because I ended up getting more food than Mike's bowl, and it's always a competition as to who gets more food. But yeah, that is my bowl here with guacamole, and then this is Mike's bowl with potatoes and jalapenos and onion, that's the difference, and then he has some chips on the side. And yeah, that is going to be our lunch. And now we gotta feed these boys. We need to feed you guys. Feed you? Yeah? Okay.
And if I could arrive in time, it would you and mine. It wouldn't cover up all the scars you left, cause it makes no difference. We were chilling on the west coast in LA, but it was a Monday, and I was dreaming of the perfect getaway, but all you wanted was to get away from me. All alone, I was drowning in your awkward silence. I feel loosening the chains around my neck, but it makes no difference.